Vertical installation positions the conveyor line upright, thereby saving over half of the floor space. This configuration is particularly well suited for assembly lines requiring the cyclical circulation of materials between upper and lower levels. The core advantage of chain-driven systems lies in their exceptional load-bearing capacity, typically capable of handling heavy materials ranging from 10 kg to 100 kg. Furthermore, they are ideally suited for long-distance conveyance. Utilizing a multi-sprocket support layout, a single integrated line can achieve transport lengths of up to 30 meters or even 100 meters of feet that is difficult to achieve with belt-driven systems. Possessing high structural rigidity, these systems maintain stable operation even under high speed and heavy load conditions. By integrating servo drives with secondary positioning mechanisms such as counter-repetitive positioning accuracy typically reaches plus or minus 0.05 millimeters, with high-end models achieving an even greater precision of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters. The use of wear-resistant materials and sealed rolling components ensures excellent long-term retention and system accuracy. Under normal operating conditions, maintenance intervals can extend from 6 months to a full year, eliminating the need for frequent tension adjustments or lubrication replenishment, thereby significantly reducing long-term operation and maintenance costs. Moreover, chain-driven systems boast a long service life, and in the event of a malfunction, the resulting damage to the overall system is minimal. Consequently, they serve as a core component in heavy-duty automated production lines. The circular guide rail conveyor line improves the workshop working environment and is highly suitable for the conveyance of precision components.